Rajnikant, an IT professional.
Slido was giving the good service in that area, and I have nailed down and I decided to go for all the slides. That's when I approached the Slido guys, and they started, we got into a deal, and we started interacting together. The challenges which I have seen is the color and the compatibility, suitability. So I was having all this kind of challenges because of course I got a good output which you can see here. Altogether, it has come out to be a very good and excellent thing.
Slido is a good product. I recommend to everyone.
Thank you.